Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be explaining our custom carpeting with the bottom carpets that we have. So what we do first is that we'll take the carpet roll like right here, and on this end we have the label with the client's name, the size of the carpet, and the type of carpet. We'll open this up, and from there we'll have it cut to the size that it needs to be. We'll have it bound and then ready for delivery. So when dealing with patterned rugs, you have to make sure that each side is cut in a symmetrical way, so the pattern is symmetrical on both ends. As you can see, you have the line of the beige and the blue on this end, and coming on this end here, you have the same amount of beige and blue here, so that it's symmetrical on both ends. All right, so we've just arrived at our client's house and we'll be installing the custom carpet shortly. So the first thing we do when we come into a client's house is that we inspect the room. If there's any furniture, we'll have it moved, and then we'll clear up the space to be able to install the rug. And that's how we create a custom carpet and install it in a home. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog on rouzatirugs.com, where we share some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.